Hello there and welcome to Lufaxa. Today we are looking on how the internet works. How does the internet work? Why is that when you go online, you search, you see information, stuff? How does it come together? Given the fact that most of us on this channel are learning about making website, digital marketing, stuff like that. But how does the internet works? Because the internet is our playground. If you're on this channel learning any content, means you're using the internet for one thing or the other. So how does this internet work? To begin with, there is the server here. Me and you, or you and I, when we create internet, when we develop websites, we host them on internet. We need to get a domain name. We need to get a space, like we need to buy a certain storage that we are going to keep that the content of our website on. So when we do that, we have here at this search bar what we call search engines. So their job is to collect information. I've gone too far. These guys, we come to these servers that we have hosted, they are going to study every website on it. Why? Because to begin first, when I host my website, for instance, my website is Lofaxa, which talk about digital marketing, education, stuff like that. Another person hosts their website. Another person hosts their website is about marketing. Another hosts their website is talking business, stuff like that. So when you go to the internet, the websites are scattered. So what domain names do was this don't send what domain not domain names, what search engines do is that they go on the website, on the internet, they study these websites, they study each and every website, they bring the information, they store that information in their own data center. They'll have to organize it in order it makes sense, useful. They have their fancy terms that they make it, but they organize that information there and keep it here in their own data centers. So what happens is when you come on your device and you do a search on Google or Yandex or DuckDuck, whatever search engine you're using, when you do a search, that search engine is not talking instantly with the internet before responding to you. No, it has to go to its data center. That's why at times when you start typing, no, not at times, when you start typing, you see that they're already suggesting from the information they have in their data center. So when you respond, when you do a search, it's going to respond to you. For instance, here, this is a search I did to Lufaxa. They send me this page. This is a page you will see information concerning Lufaxa from different sources. This information now on this page is called search engine results page, because this is the result from a search engine. It is not yet from directly from the internet. So what happens is when you click now on any of the results that the search engine gave to you, it's going to take you through the process of the DNS first, because first, servers or computers are connected using IP address, and servers are just sophisticated computers that store information. So they're connected using IP address, but IP address will be difficult for somebody to retain. Like, it's not going to be slick. Imagine you're giving your IP address and you're giving a bunch of numbers for somebody to click those bunch of type those bunch of numbers to visit your website. But it's easier to say lufaxa.com, google.com, facebook.com, x.com. It's easier to just give a domain name like that. So the DNS here, its job is to take that domain name and figure out which server it belongs to, so it can direct you to the right server. When you go to the server now, you're going to get a response. At times we have witnessed this come into situations where a search engine here will respond to you, but when you click on the information from the search engine results page, you you get a result that say that page does not exist, not found, or it's just blank. It means it's not taking you to the website you were expecting to go to. What happened is that between the process that the search engine studied the internet, gathered that information and stored, the time it took between the time you're coming, either the server is down or the domain name or whatever, they've changed something, they've deleted the page, and that does not exist no more. So the domain DNS, which is domain name service, is unable to figure out, is unable to identify it, or is unable to locate that page that you want to open. So it will return a not found. So now when the search engine respond to you, they're going to give you a response like this. Not you are, this is from lufaxet.com. We are on lufaxet.com. That's why you get a response like this. So this is basically the story and the process in which it goes through. When we host a website, search engine study the website, they store it. When we come, other persons come and you try to access information that we have on our website. They're definitely going to type a keyword here. When they type the search, the search engine responds to them and give them a bunch of response like this. When they click on it, it goes to the server and the server responds, taking them to that website. So that is basically what happens when you are navigating the internet, searching and trying to get information. That is exactly what is happening. If you have any question about the topic, don't feel free to leave them at the comment section. I'll definitely respond to you. Ciao, ciao, ciao.